2025 BMW X5 M continues its reign as one of the most powerful and luxurious mid-size performance SUVs on the market. Built for those who crave high performance without sacrificing comfort or practicality, the 2025 model year offers subtle refinements rather than radical changes, reinforcing its place as a premium offering in BMW's M division. With a potent V8 engine, upgraded technology, and a distinctive design, the X5 M caters to drivers who want the best of both worlds. An SUV that can carry the family in style, while also offering sports car-like acceleration. From the outside, the 2025 BMW X5 M exudes an aggressive and athletic presence. It retains the bold styling cues of its predecessor, with only minor tweaks to maintain freshness. The front fascia features a wide kidney grille finished in high-gloss black, flanked by slim adaptive LED headlights with BMW's signature double L lighting signature. The large air intakes in the front bumper aren't just for show, they serve to cool the high-performance engine and brakes. Muscular wheel arches house massive 21-inch wheels up front and 22-inch wheels at the rear, wrapped in performance tires. Sculpted lines along the body, a sloping roofline, quad exhaust outlets, and an integrated rear diffuser enhance the sporty yet refined look of the vehicle. Optional carbon fiber exterior accents are available for those who want to push the styling envelope even further. Under the hood, the 2025 X5 M is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This powertrain delivers a jaw-dropping 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque in the X5 M competition model, which is now the standard version. The result is blistering performance, 0 to 60 mph in just about 3.7 seconds, which is incredibly quick for a vehicle of this size. The engine is mated to an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear shifts, while the xDrive all-wheel drive system with rear-biased torque distribution ensures optimal traction in all conditions. BMW's adaptive M suspension and active roll stabilization system help the X5 M stay flat through corners, offering a surprisingly nimble driving experience for a mid-size SUV. The M Sport differential further improves agility by optimizing power delivery between the rear wheels. Inside the cabin, the 2025 BMW X5 M continues to deliver a balance of luxury and sportiness. The interior is appointed with premium materials such as merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber or aluminum trim, and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The redesigned curved display, consisting of a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central infotainment screen, runs on the latest iDrive 8.5 system. This interface offers crisp graphics, voice control, over-the-air updates, and deep integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver-centric cockpit also includes an M-specific steering wheel, red M mode buttons, and configurable drive settings that allow drivers to tailor the driving dynamics to their preference. Comfort is not overlooked either. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are available, as is a premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and optional entertainment displays, making the X5 M suitable for long-distance journeys or family trips. As for pricing, the 2025 BMW X5 M competition starts at around $124,000, depending on options and customization. It's a premium price tag, but one that's justified by the combination of power, technology, and craftsmanship. Available packages allow buyers to enhance the vehicle further, with features like advanced driver assistance systems, carbon exterior upgrades, or even a night vision system. Overall, the 2025 BMW X5 M stands as a benchmark in the performance SUV segment. It successfully blends blistering speed with high-end luxury, offering a complete package that few competitors can match. While it doesn't reinvent the wheel, it perfects the formula with subtle updates that enhance both performance and daily usability. For buyers seeking an SUV that can do it all, from track days to school runs, the X5 M remains one of the most compelling choices in its class.